Optimus Prime to all units. Megatron is no more.
Do I yet live?
You do not. Yet you cannot join the Allspark because my lifeblood once flowed through your veins.
Dark Energon. Or perhaps Starscream. I have not permitted myself contact.
Enough! Lord Megatron, no! Not your spark chamber! You do not know what it will do!
So, I will live again.
Only to serve me. Your husk will simply be an instrument at my will.